Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Anspat here, and today you're learning how to make your own custom-made icons in Figma or any other design software that you are using. Without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing that you need to keep in mind is the grids. So there are two types of grids. One is the custom grid that you create, and the other is this grid that you can see in Figma as well when you zoom in. Now what we'll do is we'll create a frame. This frame will contain our icons. Just make a square frame and start with that. Now comes the part of adding the grids. So as I said, there are two types of grids, but there's one subcategory as well, which is called the layout grid. Layout grid is mostly present in web design softwares like Figma, XD. You can add two types of grids of column and rows, and as you can see here, the middle part will be your sketching area. Now comes the second type of grid, which was the custom grids. So for this, I'll be using the slice tool in Figma. I've just placed a normal square in this frame with a 2-point margin. But grids won't work like that because we need to make it more extensive, and that's why instead of using the square area inside, I'm just converting it into a rectangle. The icon is horizontally placed. It can come in the horizontal slice. If the icon is in the vertical direction, so it can come in the vertical slice. So there's one more slice that we need to add, not a slice basically, but an area that we need to add, which will be an ellipse. There are some circular round icons which won't be covered in these two rectangular slices. So we need a round slice to cover that. Whenever you're making your own icons, remember the roundness of each edge and even the strokes that you are using. So remember to keep it consistent. Here taking a stroke of 3, and as you can see, my one more thing that you need to remember is when you are using an area, the circular area or the horizontal area or the vertical area, remember the icon should touch one of the edges. One more tip is the naming. Remember to name it in a systematic form. I usually name it by icon / whatever the name is. I usually name it like icon / whatever the name is. Either you can do that or you can create your own variants which is available in Figma. So it's your choice, whatever you want to name it like, but remember to make it systematic so that when you are going ahead with thousands of screens, you can change your icons easily. You don't have to go to your components library again and again. The last tip is to make your icons as simple as possible. The icon on the left with the yellow gradient might not be as usable to the user compared to the right one, because sometimes as we go into details, we forget the usability part. So remember to keep them as simple and as minimal as possible. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more tutorials and more vlogs. I'm also trying to do some design vlogs on my channel, so you can also check them out. Keep learning, stay creative.